Come on, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so camera needs to be quiet, okay, so I can record a video. Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, so today I want to show you how I got. Well, basically, I was able to edit this image from this. Oh, give me a second. Sorry, stop clicking. Yeah, see, from this to this. Let me expand that full screen so you can see. I got the image from this to this. Alright, so this is a client of mine that I shot for, and so what I'll do is I'll create a new, what's it called, virtual copy. Yeah, the virtual copy created, then I'll reset everything to what it was initially. So I shot this at the Metaphor. There's a video on how I shot this behind the scenes, and that's where I interviewed Camilla Bidney. So this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. So this is going to be a quick edit, so I'm not going to go too much into my editing techniques and all, but maybe in other videos I'll go much into that. So what I like to do first is crop, because yeah, so the cropping is a lot I can talk about cropping, but like I said, it's video edit, so I usually just do auto and insert it out fine, just a little bit to see if make sure everything is fine. If I was being specific to Instagram, I would likely would have done something else, but yeah. So yeah, crop done. No, not quite good, so just a little bit. Yeah, I think it's better this way. A little bit better, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Hey Kaima, please be quiet. Thank you. Alright then, I like editing from down up. Kaima, I can hear you. Sorry about that. I like editing from down up. So what I usually do is go to my lens correction, remove chromatic aberration, enable profile corrections. So it does this thing to the picture. So I shot this on a Canon 80D, my 18 to 135 mm lens, f13 3.5 or 3.0. Yeah, sorry, no, this is 50 mm. Sorry, 50 mm f2.2. So what it does, it corrects the profile of the lens, because the lens is not perfect. Obviously, you make a couple of mistakes here and there. So this is before and after. Just that little, what's it called? They strike the edges. Look at the edges. Adjust the edges perfectly well. Then yes, I always sharpen my image next, because I mean sharpening is life. So for sharpening, I like zooming in. I shot this at an ISO, so there might be a little bit of noise, so I don't want to sharpen too much. Kaima, noise, Kaima. Shh. Okay. Sorry about that. So maybe leave this at 40 and add a little bit of radius, then a little bit of detail as well. Kaima, I can see you. Then a mask. For masking, I always hold down my Alt key and mask. So I'll go much into more details about all these settings later, but for now, just track on me. Thank you. Then I do my luminance still under sharpening stroke detail panel. I make sure I don't usually go above 10, because I think that's fine enough. So then I add a little bit of detail to the luminance, a little bit of contrast. Then I do my color sharpening as well. Yeah, that's about it. So I did it before, pressing the black flash button. Oh sorry, don't show me the original image. So basically, if I put this off, I put it back on. I don't know if you can see the adjustments. Let me go close. Off. Yeah, you can see those colors and sharpening all and on. It's way better now. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So then I go up, then I do my basic adjustments. But before I do my basic adjustment, there's something I really want to quickly do. So if you're using the new Lightroom, there's a place called Profile. So you can go to a profile and use a quick profile. So I use the Artistic 08 profile. You can see the difference it makes. So the beauty about the difference between profile and creating a preset is that in the profile here, it doesn't change any of the settings, but if you create a preset, obviously the preset will obviously change the settings. So I use the Artistic 08, and I can reduce the amount, stroke intensity, not so much, then close. So it will automatically adjust. What's it called? So this is it without profile. This is it with the profile I did. So yeah, I always like desaturating my image so it doesn't have too much saturation. So let's leave it about 15. Yeah, so drop down the highlights because I want the focus to be on her, not the background. The background is taking all of your attention because of the colors. So drop down the highlights. Add a little bit of some shadow because I mean our face is a little bit dark, so some shadows and some blacks. Different images have different settings. There's no one size fits all for any of the image. So it depends on what it is you're trying to achieve. So for this image, I want the focus to be on Anne, a smile and all. So yeah, then the whites. Maybe add a little bit of white. Take it down. Take it down. Yeah, I'll just take it down a little bit. Then I don't need to do clarity days or vibrance. So then I'll go back to my tone curve. Create the typical S curve. My tone curve. Add the matte effect, holding the Alt key, so to make the effects just a little. Timer. Shh. Alright. Sorry, kids. Yeah, create the typical S curve. Maybe reduce the shadow a little bit. Then for the highlights, I don't know, add some highlights. Then increase my midtone just a little bit. Come on. I'm trying to record something.
That's record.
No, come on. Hey, YouTuber. Not yet.
I said I wish you got recording.
What does that even mean? Back to the recording. So yeah, before, after adding a tone curve, I think we're good for now. I might come back and do that later. Then I come down to my calibration. This is where the magic happens. Some people don't even use this at all, but if you really want to, I will do a video on how to do color correction. This place is really important. So yeah, depending on, like I said, on what you're trying to achieve, you can do different things here. So add to the review, to the red. It is saturation. I'm really trying to go for a very saturated look feel for this picture. So yeah, I like saturating my images, so I'm going to saturate the hue a little bit. So this is before and after, so I can see how far I've gone. Then before I do the greens, let me choose to do the blue. Let me see what effect it gives me. So that's out just including blue gives it this bit of feel. So I want that to have this chocolatey. I want the mood to be this chocolatey kind of bluish hue feel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share it, give it a like, break your hand on the like button, comment what you think. If you think I should go more into giving more Lightroom tutorials, maybe some photography tips and all, and a lot of, and go in depth into each of these each of these, what's it called, panels individually and all. And let me know if maybe you have some tips for me as well. I mean, no one knows it all at all. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, like I said, break it on the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Take care.